After each route, spray down all high-touch areas. At the end of each day, pick up trash and sweep, discard all trash in trash can, pull liner out of trash can, and discard in dumpster. Disinfect one last time. On Friday after your last route, spray and wipe down all high-touch areas. During freezing temperatures, you may have to bring in all chemicals and put them in the lockers marked with the appropriate bus number. Like if you were in 126, you would put it in locker 126. The rag vending machine is located also with all the chemicals in between bays 4 and 5. You can put the dirty rags below where it's marked soiled. Extra masks can be located in the overhead compartment behind the driver's mirror.